Okay, so today we're going to look at the journal option for OurFamilyWizard, and it's pretty self-explanatory, very easy to use. Once you're in the journal tab on your desktop, it looks completely different than when you're using a mobile device, but this series is for the desktop version only. We will do a series on the mobile version in maybe a week or two. So when you're in the journal entry, you get all of your past entries on this left-hand sidebar here. And obviously you can check and view your history of entries. Pretty simple. And when you do a check-in, it will use your mobile device's location. And this was input on a mobile device. I tagged my location, and it basically timestamps your arrival or whatever check-in you're doing. And to add a moment or a journal entry, you basically click the little add new icon over here, and this is what pops up on the desktop. So you can share it. You can share it with your co-parent or professionals, whoever's in your app that you're sharing with. Basically, you type your message or your note or your quote-unquote journal entry. You can add attachments. You can add a location, and obviously the date is a permanent fixture. And again, these are saved. These are your personal entries. So with this, you are able to either print them out, edit them, or delete them, because these are for you. They are not documented in the sense that they are information that can't be manipulated, because obviously you can use this for your own personal usage without having to share, and therefore you can delete these things. Like, say you decided you didn't want to have the entry anymore, you can delete it. Pretty simple.